Hello, and welcome to another lesson in Basic Polish. Today we will talk about animals. In Polish, to say animal, we say zwierzę. And in plural, when we want to say animals, we say zwierzęta. We can divide animals into three categories. Let's start with wild animals, which would mean in Polish, dzikie zwierzęta. When it comes to different species of wild animals, we have lis, which means fox. We have wilk, which means wolf, and wiewiórka, which means squirrel. Try repeating the words after me. Lis, wilk, wiewiórka. Then we have jeleń, which is the deer, łoś, which is the elk, and wąż, which is the snake. Try repeating the words after me. Jeleń, łoś, wąż. Well done. We also have jeż, which is hedgehog, and motyl, which is butterfly. Try repeating the words after me. Jeż, motyl. Well done, you're doing great. When it comes to wild animals, they tend to live in a forest. In Polish we would say dzikie zwierzęta mieszkają w lesie. Try repeating the sentence after me. Dzikie zwierzęta mieszkają w lesie. And now let's talk about farm animals. In Polish we would call them zwierzęta gospodarskie. We have krowa, which is cow, świnia, which is pig, and kura, which is hen. Try repeating the words after me. Krowa, świnia, kura. We also have koza, which is goat, owca, which is sheep, and kaczka, which is duck. Try repeating the words after me. Koza, owca, kaczka. Perfect, well done. Now, farm animals tend to live on farms. In Polish we would say zwierzęta gospodarskie mieszkają w gospodarstwie. Farm can be translated into gospodarstwo. Try repeating the sentence after me. Zwierzęta gospodarskie mieszkają w gospodarstwie. And lastly, we have pets, which are called in Polish zwierzęta domowe. We have pies, which is dog, kot, which is cat, and papuga, which is parrot. Repeat the words after me. Pies, kot, papuga. At home, we may also keep chomik, which is hamster, mysz, which is mouse, or rybki, which means fish. Try repeating the words after me. Chomik, mysz, rybki. Okay, now let's try to build sentences. When it comes to pets, you may ask someone, czy masz jakieś zwierzątko? Do you have a pet? And an answer to this may be tak, mam. And here you can provide what species you have. For example, I would say tak, mam psa. Yes, I have a dog. Or if you don't have a pet, you can simply say nie, nie mam. Try repeating the sentences after me. Czy masz jakieś zwierzątko? Tak, mam. Nie, nie mam. We may also ask, do you like animals? If you want to refer to wild or even farm animals. Or do you like pets if you mean pets? In both cases, we would ask, czy lubisz zwierzęta? And an answer to this can be simply yes or no. Tak or nie. Try repeating the sentence after me. Czy lubisz zwierzęta? We may also ask someone whether they would want to have a pet. And here it depends on whether we are asking a man or a woman. If we are talking to a man, we might ask, czy chciałbyś mieć zwierzątko? And if we are talking to a woman, we would say, czy chciałabyś mieć zwierzątko? Try repeating the sentences after me. Czy chciałbyś mieć jakieś zwierzątko? Czy chciałabyś mieć jakieś zwierzątko? And here again we can simply say yes, I would. Tak, chciałabym. Or no, I wouldn't. Nie, nie chciałabym. If the person who is replying is a man, they would say nie, nie chciałbym. Albo tak, chciałbym. They may also provide you with the species of the animal they would like to have. If you are allergic to pets, you may say jestem uczulony na zwierzęta, if you are a man. Or if you are a woman, you may say jestem uczulona na zwierzęta. Try repeating the sentences after me. Jestem uczulony na zwierzęta. Jestem uczulona na zwierzęta. Perfect. Very well done. This was really difficult. So, this is all when it comes to animals and pets in Polish. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button to get notifications every time we post a new video. And I do hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye!